Hello friends, you are here with Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will see the difference between maps and globes. Yes students, you are right. Today we have very nice PPT presentation to get the more information about the difference between maps and globes. What is this? Yes, guess what is this? Excellent. It's correct that it is a globe. Hi, I can tell you what is this? It is a map. Now let's learn today the difference between globes and maps. My energetic students, we will see the difference between maps and globes with different slides. First, we will see about the maps. It shows the entire earth at a time. Means in a one look, we can see the different ocean, different continents, different landforms. But about the globe, we can say it shows only one part of earth at a time. So about the map, we can write it shows the entire earth. But about the globe, we can say it shows only one part. For next difference, we have another image here about the map. It is a flat or a two-dimensional. About the globe, it is a spherical or a three-dimensional. What is a two-dimensional? It is having a two-dimensional view such as the width and the height. About the three-dimensional means it is measured in a three different directions such as a height, length and width. So about the map we can write it has a two-dimensional. And about the globe we can write it has a three-dimensional. Next, we will see about the map provides the detailed information about the specific thing, area, landform and the cities. About the globe, it has a limitation. It does not provide the detailed information about any specific thing, area, landform, etc. See the difference by the image also. About the Aurangabad region, you can get easily every information through the map. But on a globe, you cannot get the name only of Aurangabad. So while writing, we can say about the map, it gives the detailed information. But about the globe, it does not give the detailed information. See the last point. Map is very easy to carry, but the globe is very difficult to carry. So about the map, what we can write? It is a very easy to carry. And about the globe, what we can write? It is a very difficult to carry. So my dear students, through this image, what we understand that we can easily carry the maps. We can roll it, but on the other hand, globe is very difficult or hard to carry. Difference between maps and the globes. It shows the entire earth at a time. It is a flat or two-dimensional. It can provide a detailed information. It cannot be used to study the rotation and the revolution. It is easy to carry. About the globe, it shows only one part at a time. It is a spherical or a three-dimensional. It does not provide the detailed information as it shows the whole earth. It can rotate on an axis and so can be used to study the rotation and the revolution of earth. It is a very difficult to carry. So in this way, today we have covered the difference between the map and the globe. Now puts one review of the class. My dear students, today we learn the difference between maps and the globes. After studying the difference between the maps and the globes, we understand that the study of maps and the globes both are important at their own place. So students, to study the geographical features, we must have the knowledge of globes and maps. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.